Busy is like an uber cool quality everybody is being or trying to be. We seldom realize that we are doing everything except what we are supposed to be doing.
Don't confuse activity with productivity. Many people are simply being busy. Most of us are into the habit of writing a personal to-do list, either the previous night or the start of our day, especially if you are juggling between different tasks. If you aren't already into the habit of writing one, then get into it right away. In my personal experience, it has done wonders because a lot of times we overlook many tasks and goals that add immense value to our life. If we don't put it down on a piece of paper, then we conveniently forget about it. This is Sarah. Having written her to-do list, she sits down on a weekend to complete her tasks with great determination. She looks forward to check off items on her to-do list. Few minutes later, she decides to take a quick break and she browses through a show that everybody's been talking about. Since the show has caused a lot of stir and sensation, she decides to quickly tune into Netflix and have a quick glimpse of the show. Hours roll and she's on the cusp of binge watching. She is completely immersed in the series. And then she gets curious about an actor in the show. She looks up for him on Wiki page, reads about him, checks his marital status, although completely irrelevant and a little creepy, and then follows him on Insta and does an in-depth analysis of his social life. Sounds familiar, isn't it? We all are caught in a situation like this from time to time. Now, let's look at another scenario. It is a weekday and a work from home kind of day because of the current situation. Sarah receives an email from her manager asking her to finish some tasks as soon as possible. Sarah gets at her tasks right away and she works with complete diligence and focus for the next few hours. And she finishes the tasks few hours ahead of time, having skipped her lunch. Few minutes later, she receives a message from her lead asking her for an availability for a client call outside the regular working hours, as the client lives in a different time zone. She promptly replies her willingness to join the call. Now, going back to Sarah's personal to-do list. The items remain unchecked and it spills from days to months and then conveniently procrastinated or forgotten. We all are in a similar situation from time to time like Sarah is. In the later scenario, where there is a professional call of duty, we perform our tasks with great diligence as we are accountable to another person. We go up and above, normalize working overtime as all our team members are, and skip meals and call it commitment. Agree that our professional duties meet our financial needs, but how ironical are we when it comes to performing tasks that nourishes our soul and uplifts us. We take ourselves for granted and we are so gullible to every distraction because of technology. We feel the urge to attend to every WhatsApp ping and look out for every Insta update. We need to take charge of our tasks and goals and not let technology take charge of us. We need to stop procrastinating and being busy with irrelevant tasks. We need to take time out and tend to tasks or goals that we truly believe in. As quoted by the popular marathon runner John Bingham, the miracle isn't that I finished, the miracle is that I had the courage to start. The key is to get started and the fuel is to stay consistent.
Let's take advantage of the current situation and pursue that one task or goal that we have procrastinated for a long time rather than crib about social distancing. But remember to stay indoors and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. And remember to have a great, productive week ahead.